Hey guys, this is Fundo on Manchopagama. Tonight on Imbewu, Zwandile breaks things off with Kanyo and telling her that he has a business to deal with. And Kanyo become scared when Zwandile changed the voice, and Zwandile wants to found the people who killed Slindile, and and he don't tell Kanyo that he has a business to deal with about Slindile. While Mira comes clear to Shira about her plan, and Shira beside herself with Fura, and meanwhile Narope remain in fragile state. And it seems like Mira wants to finish with Nairobi, but it seems like Shira wants to fight for her mother. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.